We don't care if you're alright.
That dude, that's some messed up right there. You know what I'm saying?
From my angle, I'm tracking out, I look back, and she's still with the bike, she's facing the canyon, it looks like they're about to hit. I'm just like, if she doesn't open, I'm just going in.
I gave him the thumbs up, I was like, I'm good, and he's like,
Freaking, I got some crazy friends.
First woman in the world to ever base jump a motorcycle backflip.
Greg, do you have a visual on Travis? Greg is with Travis. Greg is with Travis now. How does he look? I'm messed up.
He's actually conscious and coherent.
He's never base jumping again, he just told me, and he's got cactus poking out every inch of his body. Joe, is there any way you can come pick this up off this ledge?
Just watch out for the rotor blades and have him get on really slow.
You know what, it was fine. I had actually exactly what I wanted off the top. Good, did a front flip, and instead of tracking, I was like, oh cool, I'll do another one. And when I did the second one, I saw something right above me, and I thought, if I open right now, I'm done. So I went to track out, and then I thought, I'm gonna not open in time. And the chute had just started opening, but luckily I landed on a really steep downhill with a lot of cacti. It went thunk, 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 and then I stopped, and it was about 10 feet before another like 100-foot cliff. Not to be the complete moron, but as bad as it went, it couldn't have gone any better for that situation.
When it decided to go bad, it went well, as far as bad goes.
No, seriously, I have cactus everywhere. Ow! Damn!
Yeah, focus.
Stab me again. 199 lives.
I think we're wrapping it up.
Just used a couple.